Hello, I am Vikas and welcome to the our Tech Hub Knowledge YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can run Ubuntu or Linux command and access SSH from your Android phone. So first of all we need to open Play Store and search the app Termux, Termux. As you can see that in first row click on this Termux link, and as you can see that I have already installed this app, so I am simply click on open, and here is the console of this Termux app. So from this console you can execute any Linux command from this terminal. So I'll show you some commands like check that in which directory currently we are in. So type pwd and hit enter, and as you can see that we are currently in data.com termux file home directory, and there are now again hit ls command, and you can see there are no any return folder return back in this command. So it means that there are no any folder or files in home directory. So you can create any directory or files in home directory, like I will show you mkdir and test. I have created the directory with name test and hit enter. Now again run the command ls, and as you can see that test folder has been created. So you can also go to change directory test folder and again pwd. So now you are in test folder. So if you want to go back, then simply type cd dot dot and here. Now again pwd and currently in home directory and ls. So if you want to remove this test folder, then simply type linux command rm-rf and test and hit enter. So now again check that this folder has been deleted or not, type ls and enter. So there are no any result given this command. It means that test folder has been deleted. So now I clear this screen. So from this type you can also access login your ssh or access your ssh terminal using this. So simply hit there your ssh detail, like I have already accessed last time. Yeah, as you can see that ssh command, here is the ssh command which you can access your ssh detail, like type ssh your username, your host name and -p and your port number. Now hit the enter button, and now it will ask for your ssh password. So I have normally paste this password and hit the enter button. So as you can see that ssh has been logged in successfully, and now type ls command. I am currently in this. Here is the list of directory which on my server. Now I go to the public html public_html folder. So now I'm in public html, and normally we will check this file in this directory. Type ls, and here is the list of I have installed this Magento in this directory. So normally, so if you want to open the any .php file or txt file, any type of file, then simply type the command vim and test.php. So this file code has been opened, and you can see that here is the all codes of your .php file. So if you, and again you want to close this file, then normally click on enter, press the enter button and control Z. So again back. So it can, so in this, so as you can see that you can access all your Linux command from your mobile devices using this Termux app. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and like this, and also share this video.